Hello, this is lecture number 1 for the chapter differential equation, and first of all we'll discuss what is a differential equation. Now let us consider these equations equal to 0, x plus y equal to 7, and let us take another x d by dx plus y equal to 0. Now, in these three equations does not contain the derivative of the dependent variable with respect to independent variable. We does not have any derivative here of the dependent variable with respect to independent variable. Whereas in this equation, the dependent variable is differentiated with respect to independent variable, that is x. So this is known as the differential equation. Now if this is the equation, I differentiate it, you'll get a differential equation, that is 1 plus d by dx is equal to 0. So this will become a differential equation. Let us take another to find whether it is a differential equation or not. In this we have a derivative of dependent variable with respect to independent variable x, that is the second derivative of y with respect to x it contains. So it is a differential equation. So an equation which involve the derivative or derivatives of dependent variable with respect to independent variable is called a differential equation. Now after that we have two terms, that is the order and degree of differential equation. Order and degree of differential equation. Now what is order and what is degree of the differential equation? Now the order of the differential equation is the highest derivative of the differential equation. Let us take an equation d by dx is equal to e की power x, d second derivative plus y equal to 0, and let us take third derivative of y with respect to x plus x square, and this is equal to 0. Now the order of this differential equation is 1 because the highest derivative of this equation differential equation is 1. The order of this differential equation is 2 because the highest derivative of this differential equation is 2, and the order of this differential equation is 3 because the highest derivative of this differential equation is 3. So the order of the highest order derivative of the dependent variable with respect to the independent variable involved in the given differential equation is known as the order of the differential equation. Now after that we have degree. Now what is a degree? Listen it very carefully. Now main thing in the differential equation to find the degree, that the differential equation must contain the polynomial in terms of y dash, y double dash, y triple dash, and so on. The differential equation must be in terms of must be polynomial equations in terms of their derivative. First derivative, second derivative, you know that y dash is first derivative, you know that second derivative is this, and so on. Thus that is the differential equation must be polynomial equation in its derivative, So first thing is this. Now how can we find the degree? The degree is the power of the highest derivative of the differential equation. Degree is the power of highest derivative of the differential equation. So this is the order of these three equations. Now first of all, to find the degree, first of all we will find whether it is a polynomial equation in terms of derivative. Yes, it is a polynomial equation in terms of derivative because it is y dash, first derivative है. Polynomial के लिए power should not, the power of the derivative should not be in fraction or negative. So it's power 1, its second derivative की power 1 and third derivative की power 1 and second derivative की power 3. So all these three equations have they are the polynomial equation in their derivatives. So therefore they have the degree. Sometimes the degree is not defined when the differential equation does not, the polynomial equation in does not have polynomial equation in derivatives. I will give the example. First of all, we'll find the degree of these differential equation. Order is the highest derivative in the differential equation and the degree is the highest, degree is the power of the highest derivative in the differential equation with the condition that the differential equation must be polynomial equation in their derivatives. So I have told you these all three are polynomial equations in their derivative. That is, the power of the derivative must be a whole number. It should be fraction or negative. Now degree of this, the power of the highest derivative is d by dx. Its power is 1, so its degree is 1. Highest derivative is second derivative and its power is 1, so its degree is also equal to 1. Now the highest derivative here is d cube y upon dx cube and its power is 1, so its degree is 1. Suppose its power is 2, if there is a power to it, so its degree will be 2. Now let us take an example in which we don't have the polynomial equation in terms of the derivatives. Y triple dash plus y square plus e की पावर y dash equal to 0, या इस तरह से लिखा हुआ जाए, ये की मतलब है it is the third derivative y square plus e की पावर d by dx. So it is not a polynomial in terms of their derivative because the derivative is in the power of exponential, power of the exponential. So therefore it is its degree is not defined. Its degree is not defined. Its degree is not defined and its order is 1 because the power of the highest derivative is 1, so its order is, its degree is not defined and the highest derivative here is 3, so its order is 3. Order highest derivative होता है इक्वेशन में and degree होता है power of the highest derivative with the condition that the differential equation must be a polynomial equation in terms of their derivatives. So let us take the first exercise in which you have to find the order and degree of the differential equations in exercise 9.1. Let us take the first. It is d highest power is 4 and it is triple of sine angle of this equal to 0. Now the order of this is 4 because the highest derivative here is 4 and the degree here is not defined because triple derivative is not the polynomial function या polynomial equation in this differential equation because its derivative is the angle of sine and therefore it is degree is not defined. Let us take the second. We have first derivative plus y is equal to 0. Now the order of this is 1 because only one derivative here is, first derivative is there, highest derivative is 1 and degree here is 1 because the power of the highest derivative, which is the first derivative, is 1, so its degree is 1. Let us take the third. We have ds upon dt raised to power 4 plus 3s second derivative of s with respect to independent variable t equal to 0. Now the order here is highest derivative here is 2. The order is 2. And the degree is the power of the highest derivative. The highest derivative is this and its power is 1. So its degree is 1. So this is the how we find the order and degree of the differential equation. Let us take the another. We have fourth, in which we have second derivative ka whole square plus cos d by dx equal to 0. Now the highest derivative here is 2. Second derivative ho rakha to order 2 and degree here is not defined because it is not the polynomial in terms of its derivative. d by dx angle आ गया cos का. Therefore its degree is not defined. Second derivative is equal to cos 3x plus sine 3x. Now the highest derivative here is 2. So its order is 2 and the degree here is power of the highest derivative is 1. So degree here is 1 and it is a polynomial इक्वेशन इन टर्म्स ऑफ इट्स डेरिवेटिव. यहाँ पर डेरिवेटिव किसी की पावर में, स्क्वायर रूट में, फ्रैक्शन में नहीं है. देयरफॉर द डिग्री कैन बी डिफाइंड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 वी हैव ट्रिपल डेरिवेटिव की पावर 2, सेकंड डेरिवेटिव की पावर 2, फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव की पावर 4 and y की पावर 5 equal to 0. This is the differential equation. Now the order here is the highest derivative here is 3. 3 बार डेरिवेटिव, सेकंड, फर्स्ट एंड नथिंग. तो ऑर्डर इज 3 एंड डिग्री हेयर इज द पावर ऑफ द हाईएस्ट डेरिवेटिव. हाईएस्ट डेरिवेटिव की पावर 2 है तो इट्स ऑर्डर इज 2. सॉरी, डिग्री इज 2. तो लाइक दिस यू कैन फाइंड द ऑर्डर एंड डिग्री ऑफ द डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. Let us take another. We have 8th question in which we have first derivative plus y is equal to e की power x. Therefore its order is 1 because the highest derivative here is 1 and its power is 1. So its degree is also equal to 1. Why the degree here is defined? Because this is the differential equation. Its derivative, it is a polynomial equation in terms of derivative. Let us take the 11th in which we have the second derivative का whole cube plus first derivative का whole square plus sine d by dx plus 1 equal to 0. अब इसमें हाईएस्ट डेरिवेटिव यहाँ पर 2, 2 बार मैक्सिमम डेरिवेटिव है तो इसकी ऑर्डर तो 2 है. And degree here is not defined. Why it is not defined? Because d by dx is not and this equation does not the polynomial equation in terms of its derivative because d by dx is the angle of the sine. So its degree is not defined. And similarly is the question number 12. You have to find the degree and order. So first exercise is very easy, in which you have to find the order and degree. Degree is defined only when the differential equation have the polynomial equation in terms of its derivative. That is, the derivative should not be in the power, in the square root or in the fraction or the negative powers. So this is the order and degree of the differential equation. Now after that you have to find the journal and the particular solution of the differential equation. Now the journal solution is that solution of the differential equation if it have a arbitrary constant. That is, suppose this equation, that is a sine x plus bx is one of the solution of the differential equation, and another solution of differential equation is 2 sine pi by 4 plus, suppose we have here this x plus pi by 4. Now this is the general solution and this is the particular solution, because in this we have two arbitrary constant a and b, and in this equation we don't have the arbitrary constant, all are constant. This is the angle, and 2 and pi by 4 in place of a and b we have replaced. So it has become the particular solution of the differential equation. Now in the next exercise, that is 9.2, you have to find, rather you have to check whether the given equation is the solution of the given differential equation or not, which we will discuss in the next lecture. Thank you.